Everybody's like, wow, 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 you transform this person, you transform this person. Before you know what's happening, you are making your money. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Moyo, and in today's video, I'm sharing side hustle ideas for college students. So if you're interested, make sure to watch this video till the end. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. My very first idea is iPhone photography. Guys, if you have an iPhone, then you have an edge. I'm not saying that Android phones are bad. All you have to do is to tell people that I do iPhone photography, tell people that you can take their pictures. You can even take pictures of yourself or your friends just to show them the ones I have done. Edit them. There are so many editing apps out there right now. You have Visco, you have Lightroom, you have Facetune, you have Face App. So many of them, you guys. All you have to do is to explore and see which one works best and which one you can handle. And once you've gotten this, you're going to edit those pictures that I've taken, maybe pictures of you or pictures of your friends. You can even open an Instagram page and post those pictures there. You tell people that you do iPhone photography, and before you know what's happening, students are calling you for their birthday shoots, their anniversaries. You're taking their pictures and you are getting paid. Who doesn't want to get paid for doing what they like doing or doing something that is really convenient for them using what they already have? So you guys should consider this. My second idea is reselling fashion items. If you are that person that knows where they sell cheap clothes that are really fine, maybe jeans or something, you can buy them in bulk. Let's say you're buying them at like 1,000 naira. You can come back to school and sell them at 2,500, which is double the amount that you bought it. All you have to do is to package it well, iron it if you have to iron it, just make it very presentable. You can even brand it, and once students see this, when they see that your product is branded, they're going to be like, they want to wear this person's jeans. There are different fashion items I can buy to resell. You can sell female tops, you can sell jeans for both male and female. Just look and see which one is easily accessible to you, and guys, package it, and before you know what's happening, you're selling out fast and you're making cool cash. Selling jewelry is also a good idea. I have an entire video on how to start your own side hustle using AliExpress. You can easily get jewelry from AliExpress. So if you're interested in that video, I'm going to link it up here as well as in the description. So make sure to check it out and start your own fashion business, you guys. Even if fashion items are not easily accessible to you, you can easily get jewelries and other fashion items from AliExpress. The third one is makeup business. It doesn't matter if you're a girl or you're a guy, makeup sells once you know what you're doing. So all that you have to do is to watch YouTube videos, learn how to do makeup perfectly, learn how to draw brows. Once you can do this, a lot of people don't know how to draw their brows and they are not willing to learn. And that is where you come in. If you are willing to do this and you know how to do it very well, all you have to do is look for somebody. See, the fastest way to sell is look for somebody that has really big pimples or dark spots, and then you do makeup for them. You cover their acne, you cover their pimples, whatever black spots they have, you cover it up and make sure the makeup is pink. You guys do before and after video and post it. Okay, post on your Instagram. In my school, when I was in uni, we used to have chapel on Thursdays where we used to have this TV that you can use to display your stuff. So if you have that kind of provision in your school, then it's a very good one. Display your stuff where everybody can see it, and before you know what, everybody's like, wow, 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 you transform this person, you transform this person. Before you know what's happening, you are making your money. It doesn't matter if you're a girl or you're a guy. Even if you're a guy, girls will still want to patronize you so far you are good at what you do. So you guys should consider this. My next side hustle idea is to become a freelancer. I've actually done this before and I made money from being a freelancer. The two main apps that I know that really work for becoming a freelancer, if you want to become a freelancer, I have Upwork for you, and I also have Fiverr. I have personally worked on Upwork and I got paid, you guys, so you should explore it. Although it's really hard to open a verified Upwork account, but if you watch videos or you find somebody that is already good at it, then you are going to get it. If you know how to write, you can code, you can build websites, then why not? You can even learn how to do it. That's the thing. You don't even have to know how to do it. All you have to do is to be willing, to be open-minded, that okay, this is what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead, check YouTube, check Google, check for how to do it very well, apply for jobs. Once you start applying for jobs, you can apply for up to 10 jobs before you even get your first job, but that doesn't matter. Just keep applying, keep your mind open, and you get your first job. From your first job, you're going to get your second, third, and you're going to be cashing out real good. My fifth idea, you guys, is buying food for people. As you all know, many people are very, very lazy, and that is where you come in. Some people, especially for people that went to private universities, their hostel might be far from the cafeteria, and maybe they are just tired, they are just coming back from their class, they just don't want to go anywhere. All you are going to do is to tell everybody that you can buy food for people, and once they place their orders, you can have like a particular time that you are going to buy food. Say you go and buy morning food around 9 a.m. So by 8:30, everybody should place their orders. They should make sure that they have completed their orders, and then you're going to take the orders in bulk, and you're going to go and get the food. You might even use cab or anything. You can use transport service to transport it back. And when you get it into the hostel, you're going to share it to the respective owners. You will think of how to run your business when you're doing it anyway, and you're going to get paid for buying food for them. You guys, this is a very, very good one. Imagine you buying money for them morning, afternoon, and night. Though you're spending extra time, but you're also going to get food for yourself. So at the end of the day, it just makes sense that you're getting paid for, doing what is convenient for you. My next side hustle ideas for college students is making wigs for people. So all you need for this one is doll head, and you don't even have to maybe have the hair that you are going to sell to people. Just tell people that you make wigs, tell everybody that you make wigs, and they're just going to bring their hair bundles for you to make a wig out of it. And before you know what's happening, you're getting paid, you're getting your own money. It can even be maybe one wig that you're making per day, and imagine making one wig every day for 30 days if it's convenient for you. And if it's not convenient for you, you're going to tell them that, oh, I'm sorry, I cannot do this, and you're going to be getting paid. I used to make wigs when I was in college, and I made good money from it. Next is selling attachments or human hair extensions. If you have really attractive hair bundles and you are making videos of those hair bundles, people are really going to like to buy from you. So all you have to do is to know how to market your product. Tell everybody that this is what you are selling. You guys, don't be afraid to tell people that you sell hair, even if it's extension, like all the synthetic extension attachment that you're selling. Tell everybody. People use that one to very well. People like to make braids. So tell people that you sell that, and are going to be making money from it. My next side hustle idea is to become an event host. A lot of times they're going to have final year parties, they're going to have dinner parties in school, maybe departmental dinner and things like that. You can even try to use your friends as the people you're going to be talking to. Just practice, you guys. There is nothing that you want to do that you cannot do. All you need is to be interested. Once you're interested in something, you have to practice well, watch YouTube videos on how to become a good host, and then you can tell people that you're a host and you're going to host their parties, their dinner parties, their marital dinner, and you're going to get paid for it. Another one is to plan events for people that are doing birthdays, their anniversaries. You can plan their events. You can look for a good location. You can get a very good baker for them, somebody that will make their cake, somebody that will decorate where they will use for the event, and all those planning, maybe DJ if they need DJ, and you're going to get paid for that. My last tip is to become a personal trainer. Some of us like sports. In school, I used to do yoga in school, so I used to train people. Although I didn't get paid for it because I wasn't really interested in getting paid, I was just interested in carrying people along. So you can also do this and get paid for it. You can train people. If you are good at basketball, you are good at volleyball, you're good at chess, you can tell people that you can train them, and then they'll pay you. Just think of what you can train people on, even if it's school work. You can also tutor people and get paid for it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, turn on your post notifications to get notified anytime I post. If you like to see more videos like this, please make sure to comment below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.